Chain wheel, outer clutch cone, three-prong wing nut. Now that moves as smooth as can be. When we put that chain back on there, the weight of that forward anchor is going to take that tackle to the seabed floor. Let's put that chain stripper back in place. It's not a bad idea to apply a little grease. Tef Gel is another good product. Tef Gel's nice because the aluminum housing of the windlass and the stainless of the fasteners are dissimilar, and that will act as a barrier. We don't have any Tef Gel, so we're going to use grease today. This is something, again, that should be done seasonally, perhaps as a liverboard a couple times a year. One of the tricks is to make sure that your chain stripper is center of the chain wheel and is not touching the chain wheel. This one is aligned perfectly, and we're going to tension the fasteners. Pull a little tackle out of the locker, seat the chain back on the Gypsy, reinstall the circlips, and give it a test. The circlips, or an O-ring, will act as a keeper in case that three-prong wing nut gets loose and tries to work its way free. They'll act as a stopper. Now we're secure and ready to give this a test. We'll take the snubber line off. Going to put the handle on one of the three prongs, release the clutch, give the windlass, the anchor a little assistance off of the bow, and there she goes. Just as smooth as can be. All right, as we bring her aboard, we can pause, make sure there's no mud on the anchor. We see the red mark that Larry has painted on his chain, and therefore we know we're getting close to the shank of the anchor. We could use a little more tension on the clutch, and on board we come.